this video show you how you can simply add your Blender model to your Unreal Engine project. So let's start. So here you can see after the exporting the model, it's looking very nice. So let's start by Blender. So here I just add a simple general model, or in Blender just create a simple general project and just adding a simple cube. And by cube I just make it some, just change the heightness, whiteness, and make it some a good kind of like model. I just try my best to make it. And yeah, I just use some key blocks or shortcut keys and use also the mirror. So the mirror is the two is the do the same thing what I need. So here you can see I just try to make it some good as possible, just kind of like a good model. And when it's done, just click on export, go on FBX, then set your location where you want to export your FBX or your model. So you must need to give the name. Okay, so here in my case I already have a FBX, so I just need to change the name. So let's change his name and click on the export. So just set this. Okay, now let's go in your Unreal Engine. So in Unreal Engine, click on import, then go where you save your FBX, click on saved and add. Here you can see you need to change the size 1 to 0.3 and set it unit per scale, so it automatically get the mesh. Now we just add our cube and just create some materials like a red material and a blue material. So here you can see the red material I use for the button, and just adjust the locations. And yeah, I think it's perfect. A little bit, let's give it some more down. Yeah, now it's looking like a very good model. Give it some rotate and you can see the shadows and the effects and the others are set as very easily support. And here you can see after the exporting the whole thing, like amazing. I just hope you like this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe.